Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of stock number 9437 or 57. I'll fix it in the title. A 2003 GMC Yukon Denali. A little bit of belt squeal underneath the hood here. Nice run in LQ4 though. Sounds good. To make a phenomenal swap, we got a 4L65E, 373 dips, and yeah, 10 bolt out back. 2003 truck, so it doesn't have electric cooling fans, which kind of stinks. Onyx black exterior. We're gonna need to recon some headlights on this thing. Insurance totaled it. I'm not really sure what the story is. We'll just leave it at that. I think somebody may have taken an opportunistic approach to insurance claims. It's a good way to put it. All right, let's step inside the lap of luxury. See what we got. Well, we're off to a phenomenal start here. Do the power folding mirrors work? Maybe. No. Okay. Well, we got a janky switch. That's what we got. Let's try one more time. No, no power folds. Okay, great. Some of the windows work. Yeah, all right. Oh my God. Oh yeah, I gotta reset it. All right, the sunroof works. We are 1 for 3 so far. Like I said though, good run in LQ4. We'll give it that. Turn the headlights on. The guy's backlight's burned out on his cluster. He's got a bad headlight switch or something. Yes, we know, service airbag. Leave us alone. 140,000, a rough 140,000 if I'm being honest. Climate control appears to be working. Okay. Did not see that coming. First to go on a lot of these trucks. Transmission. Reverse. Drive. It's got a 2026 registration, so I think she's all right. Yep, all the gears are working. Power pedals. Heated seats. Yeah, power pedals are working, not that you can see. Alright guys, I'm not going to lie, this thing's kind of a pile of crap. Well, not a pile of crap, this thing is a very nice truck that got very abused. So, we're just going to end the test video here. If you guys are looking for an LQ4 swap, 373 rear diff, 373 front diff, or T-case, head on over to our website. There'll be a link in the description down below. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Stop destroying GMC800s. There's not many of them left.